Imagine uncovering a hidden gem that has stood the test of time, holding stories and secrets within its walls. Now, what if I told you that your dream home could be one of these historic treasures? Welcome. Today we delve into the mysteries and allure of homes built over 50 years ago. Stay with us as we reveal what lies beneath the charm and how to navigate the potential pitfalls with expert advice. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, your trusted guide in the journey of home buying and selling in Minnesota. I specialize in helping busy professionals find their dream homes. With a reputation built on 5-star service and cutting-edge digital marketing strategies, I am here to ensure that your real estate experience is nothing short of exceptional. Today, let's explore together the hidden aspects of older homes and how to make an informed decision that turns risks into rewards. Our first hidden chapter, foundation issues. These are not just cracks in the walls, but signs of the home's enduring battle with time. From natural wear and tear to the unseen force of tree roots or water saturation, these issues demand our attention early on. Ignoring these warnings can escalate into a saga of risk and expense, but fear not. For with vigilance, these challenges can be overcome. Ascend with me to the roof, an aging guardian of the home. Its condition tells a tale of exposure to the elements over decades. Missing or damaged shingles, dark streaks, and the encroachment of moss are signals that the guardian may soon need to pass its mantle. Yet with careful inspection and timely action, the guardian can be reinforced to protect the home for years to come. Beneath the surface, hidden adversaries may lurk. Asbestos and lead paint, once hailed for the utility, now reveal their darker nature as we understand their health risks. And radon, an invisible intruder, raises the stakes in the quest for a safe haven. Knowledge is our shield against these hidden foes. Testing and vigilance can secure the victory for health and safety. The veins and nerves of the home, its plumbing and electrical systems, may carry the wear of eras past. The quest to update these is not just for convenience, but a necessity for safety. In the hands of experts, these systems can be reborn, ready to serve the modern age. The journey through homes over 50 years old is one of discovery, challenge, and ultimately reward. As your guide, I'm here to navigate this journey with you, leveraging my expertise and dedication to ensure a smooth path for your dream home. With a vigilant eye and a heart for adventure, the charm and character of an older home, if you're ready to embark on this journey or seek to write the next chapter of your life in a new home, I'm here to lead the way. Subscribe for more insights and let's unlock the doors to your future together. Remember, in the world of real estate, the right guide makes all the difference. I'm Julie Sabby, and you can reach me at 763-257-7231 or send me an email, julie@vikingshomes.com. I look forward to being part of your next chapter.